Hey guys, I'm Michelle and I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite Italian-inspired grilled dishes. Margarita grilled chicken. It is so good off the grill with some fresh mozzarella and some basil and tomatoes. Let's just make it. All right guys, so I already started slicing the basil really thin. And then I'm gonna get my cherry tomatoes. Well, actually, these are grape tomatoes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna half them. If they're big, you can also go in and do another cut. You do not have to just half them. You can use whatever tomatoes you like. So I've got the tomatoes sliced up. I'm gonna add this thinly sliced basil. The smell of fresh basil. I got this basil out of my garden. It smells so good. Then we're gonna do about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And we're gonna add in a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're gonna mix that together. So now I'm gonna get working on that chicken. What you can do is you can pound out your chicken to make it super thin. We wanna get about 1 inch in thickness. I like to take my boneless, skinless chicken breasts and I like to fillet them in half, which is going to get them to be the thickness that I would like. So we're gonna do the same thing again for this chicken. We're looking to get 4 thin chicken breasts. All right guys, so we're gonna get working on getting this chicken nice and tasty. I'm gonna add the chicken into the bowl along with some extra virgin olive oil, some garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning, which is basil, parsley, some thyme, if you do not have a specific Italian seasoning at home. I'm going to use my hands again, even though they were just washed, and I'm going to bathe these guys in that oil and seasoning and make sure they are fully coated. I'm gonna get these chickens on the grill. So I just flipped my chicken, got a little bit of the grill marks on there. They're thin, so they do not take long. And what we're gonna do is give them a few more minutes on the grill, and then we are going to top them with some fresh mozzarella. The chicken are ready for our fresh mozzarella. The fresh mozzarella is going to keep that chicken super juicy. We're gonna melt it on top, and it's going to lock in all of that delicious Italian flavor and give us the best margarita chicken ever. So we're gonna work on that delicious pesto. I'm going to add in macadamia nuts and we're gonna add in the fresh basil, pulsing this so it gets all chopped up together. So now we've got that all chopped up. We're gonna add in the Parmesan cheese. You can also use Romano cheese. We're gonna add in the olive oil. I'm gonna add in a little bit of sea salt and pepper. I'm gonna mix that up and I'm gonna give it a try, make sure it is perfect. All right, we're gonna get this chicken off the grill so I can get some of that in my mouth. So I just plated this delicious margarita grilled chicken and I cannot wait to dig in. It smells incredible and I just can't wait to get that cheese in my mouth too, along with those marinated tomatoes. Let's go. All right, so I'm ready to try this. It looks incredible and it smells incredible. Let's go. The flavors are so perfect together. This will be your favorite weeknight meal. You gotta make this one.